Chakra, Pranam Satya and hello fellow sapiens, you are watching Motorcycle Raksha from this side of the video. I have bought the boult UFO TWS earbuds on Amazon Prime Day sale. It's a very unique looking TWS and it has good features for the price that it offers. It's a TWS in the budget. So let's go ahead and unbox it and I'll provide you more details while I unbox the same. Okay, so let's now start unboxing the boult UFO earbuds. As I said, this comes with a quite unique design. I have one more unboxing to do. That was the uncovering, I believe. It's apart. Okay. As per the review videos that I had seen online, I thought this was a much bigger box. I don't know, I felt it that way, but when I see it in hand, it is quite small. And as you can see, the design is quite unique. I don't know, there are some reflections. I'm shooting this at the night, sorry about that. Due to the polythene cover on this, there is some reflection. I would remove that right away. As you can see, this is quite unique and looks like a UFO, hence the name. Let me take this off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think the reflections have reduced now. As you can see, this is quite a small box, as I've already mentioned, and the contents already, as I've told you. The reason for me to choose this is because I got this at a very good price on Amazon Prime Day sale. I think I paid about 1,398 for this one exactly. So usually I think it's around 1,500. That's the cost that it retails at on Amazon. But Prime Day, luckily I got it at about a few bucks lesser with discount. So let's see what is there on the box. As you can see, this is quite a good packaging for the price. I like the way it has been packaged. The box, the quality is quite good. So as you can see, UFO wireless earbuds made in India, quad mic ENC. So this one comes with 4 mics with environmental noise cancellation technology, which is really nice for this price. And there is a mode sync LED. They just call it that way, I believe. I'm not sure if there is any functionality associated with mode sync. There is an LED once you open, which gives a breathing effect and also provides you the battery level indication. And there is combat gaming. This TWS specifically has been actually designed for gamers. I'm not a gamer, I wouldn't use it for gaming though, but of course I need it for my day-to-day usage, and I found this design quite beautiful, and that's why I went ahead with that. And also the price was a major factor. And also let's see the box. So it says fastest growing wearable brand in India. That's good. 1-year warranty. You can see Saif Ali Khan there, who is the brand ambassador. And then you can see ultra low latency for gaming. So for the gamers, this would be quite a good deal with such a low pricing. They also say that there is Boom X drivers, I believe, which aids the bass of the music when we are listening to it. And then there is Bluetooth connectivity, dual master. I don't know what that is. Easy voice assistant. It pairs up with the voice assistant on the phone, and you can easily use that with some commands, with some touch commands on the earbuds. Okay, so this is how it opens. Again, there is bold branding like never before is the tagline. Nothing else over here. This opens up with the box on the lid. That's quite interesting. Okay, if we open this, okay, there are some more buds over there of different sizes to fit your ear. And then the next item is the USB type A to type C cable for charging. It's quite small though for my liking. And then there is some user manual documentation. Know your UFO. Okay, let's keep this all aside and let's come to the main item. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This again In comparison to the other TWS earbuds packaged, this is a bit bigger. The AirPods, the Samsung Buds, they all come with a much smaller packaging, and the other brands also, they come with a smaller packaging. I think Boult itself has other TWS earbuds which has smaller footprint, but this one I think is bigger. But yeah, it's not too big as well, it's easily pocketable, and the build quality is quite good to my liking for the price, I would say. Of course, it's not the best, but yeah, for the price, this looks really good and sturdy. We'll have to see with time how it ages, but for now it looks good. And I bought the silver metal color. I think it's called something like a silver metal gray or a gunmetal gray. There are two other colors available, white and black. I felt this one was much more cooler, so I just bought this one. So let's open this up. Wow, this really looks something from the future, and of course it imitates the Ear4 design. Take a look at that. The LED breathing effect, I don't know how far you're able to make that. Yeah, looks cool, doesn't it? A strip of LED which has a breathing effect in orange. So, and as I said, this one again is mode sync LED which indicates the battery as well, and there are LEDs on the earbuds as well, and the earbuds come in the same gunmetal gray color, which is quite good. And this is finished in matte, this is not glossy. The overall box packaging also is finished in matte, and it has all the features that you can imagine in an earbud. The volume up down, the pause, the play, the forward, the backward, and whatnot. Whatever that you can imagine can all be controlled on by the touch on these earbuds. So they are touch controlled, and it's quite good. I think these lights, they go off once the Bluetooth is connected, but if you switch on the gaming mode, the combat gaming mode as they call it, then this switch on and give a cool gamer effect. I think that's really cool. So I'm yet to try these. I don't know how they perform. Based on the reviews on YouTube and on the net, they say it's quite decent for the price, and it has a good bass. That's what I heard. But I'm yet to try it for myself. As you have seen that I've just unboxed it. If you want me to give a proper review of these after trying it out, let me know so that I can make another upcoming video with all the required details of the actual ownership review. So this is not a sponsored video. I have just bought it for my personal use on Amazon Prime Day sale, and I would be using it for myself. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do consider subscribing if you want to see more such content. I usually do travel content and biking videos, so if you are interested in such videos, do consider subscribing. That would help me a great deal. Thanks for watching till now. As I said, do comment down in the comment section below if you want to see more such content, and if you want to see more details or the actual ownership review of these earbuds. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.